Good morning. Okay, it's good morning. Day 3 of our first sprint. How did we do yesterday? We did pretty good. We got the water tank as done as it's going to be for now. The hammock working. Just table legs got started. Cutting board got started. So, today, continue glue ups for cutting board as I don't have enough clamps and I can only glue up one section at a time. Continue blocking out Jeff's table. Put finish on the hammock. And I think while I'm doing that I can put finish on this planter that I've done before. I think that's a pretty full load for today, but if not, I always have more projects. Alright, quick update. That's really only a half hour, but again, waking up, coffee. So this is a planter box that goes in a windowsill. My roommate painted it, and I just gotta finish it so that it's gonna last with some dirt in it. And that's up this morning. I was looking at Jeff's table, thinking about how I want to block it in. That's good. But I think what I'll do is I'll find some zip ties and finish up anchoring that guy up there in this hour. There we go. That's what's up. Of just knocking off the corners, and then I'll sand and finish that real quick. And then I'm gonna do some aquaponics work. And then come down and do Jeff's table for the rest of the day. That was the quick update. This is turning out pretty dang good. Hey, hello, quick update. Finished this guy. And while I was doing that coat, I finished the hammock as well. Now I'm onto this pump thing for the solar, and for some reason the pump's not working. The battery's got charged. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna install a switch, but it's not working. So that's where I'm troubleshooting right now. That was my quick update. Man, these are getting quick. Okay, quick update. I figured out what was wrong. Fuse was blown. Replaced that. Other than that, I mean, that took me a while to figure out. I haven't done electronics work in years, so we're getting back into the swing of things. Okay, quick update. I got a lot of work done up here. I zip tied this guy up. I put the solar panel out. The switch works, it all works. Siliconing up the connections so that water doesn't leak. Okay, quick update. I did a little cleaning. Oh, I need to go close that, but I'm about to start carving Jeff's table, so this quick update's a little early, but I think I'm going to carve these lower halves. I gotta remember to leave this flat and this flat for some stuff, but I can carve this shape in and get a feel for it. Okay, quick update. The initial carving, just to see how the shape of it's coming and how it'll look. Just roughed it out. I think it'll do okay, pretty good. Produced an ungodly amount of sawdust. The resin came, so tomorrow, first thing, get all suited up, do that resin. So I think we're gonna do a major clean, and I think that'll be it for today. So, day 3. What did we get done? We got Jeff's table Got Jeff's table knocked out. What else did we get done? We got some more of the glue up happening. That's happening slowly. We put the trim on this. Just all it needs is some potting soil and some plants. Did all the electronical work for this thing. That came out actually pretty good. We tested this out. This has a little bit of a leak. I'm waiting for it to dry. And then I'm gonna re-silicone it. But the water flowed through okay. It was a pretty good test. This guy got all zip tied up. So next step is to put some holes in it, fill it with the grow media. So I'm doing the edit for the vlog today. I'm getting inspired by watching myself do that. And I think I know how the next pieces will transition. So I think I'm gonna go knock that out right now. Bit of a Lakewood quick update, but you know, when you feel like working, you should work.